Lenny back with another review. The Hoka Bondi 5 wide, size 11.5. It's a 13-ounce shoe in size 11.5 wide. And let's get on with it. So I really like the new upper they did here. They really made it kind of breathable, less constricting, and just softer overall, which is really good. To me, the foam is a little more denser, so it's going to be a little harder to break in my opinion. I mean, just hand test, you can't even bend that thing. At least on the other one, you'd be able to get, what, a couple centimeters when you tried to bend test, but it's a pretty good shoe. It has a good heel cup that Hoka is always going for. The insoles just keep getting thicker and thicker. It's definitely a thick insole. The laces are pretty cool. They have like just the regular flat lacing, which is one of my favorite type of lacing systems. The wide is pretty wide. I felt it to be a little short and stubbier, but when you put your foot in it, you really can't feel that. But looking down when I was running, I felt like it had that, kind of that stub. The heel to toe rock, you could definitely feel that. I did start getting a little bit of left knee tenderness just because the height of the shoe and the instability of it. It's definitely a neutral trainer. On the grooves on the outside, it still has the traditional lugs on the very inside where it's kind of wearing down already, and they kind of added these flex grooves through the middle here, which a lot of rocks are getting stuck in those. So I left one there just so you can see that there's a rock in there, and this is like the third rock that I've gotten in between there, so that's definitely not a good thing. But the rubber on the outside is not wearing at all. I mean, it looks pretty good. This is after 30 miles of usage. Now I would probably been up to 40 or 50 miles now, but I felt like they were too big for an 11.5 2E, and so I ordered the 11 2E. But the 11, I had enough toe room, I had enough space, but I just felt like the 11.5 was more comfortable. Now running with it, I could definitely feel the weight, 13 ounces. It's definitely a clog type feeling. Maybe after breaking it in after a while, it'll feel better. The 2E width is definitely wide. I could have probably went with just a regular width, and I do feel like it's loose fitting for like walking around, but once I get in it and start running, I have a flat kind of foot, so it kind of goes down in there and, takes up all the room. On the heel, though, on the right, I noticed that that there's more room compared to my left on the heel, just because my left foot's bigger than the right. So, but no issues there. I mean, no slipping out, nothing like that. It's definitely a big shoe. Definitely a bigger platform because it's 2E. This is the Hoka Bondi 5 11 2E. And this is my review of it. Like I said, I would have had more miles in it by now, but I felt like I wanted to try on the 11. The 11 just, I probably could have ran in it, but I just felt like the 11.5 was definitely better. And that's all I really have right now on it. So these are my initial thoughts, and a review maybe after a little more miles, I'll be able to give you a good take on it. I don't see anything that's gonna be durability on the upper. The Hoka Infinite definitely poked through a little bit. You can definitely tell that it's a low drop shoe, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.